Hello and welcome again. Are your batteries feeling sick because of the cold? Here's the part nobody tells you. It's usually not the whole battery that's cold. It's the bottom one normally in the stack. And this catches people out every winter. They look at the app. They see solar coming in, but the battery barely charges, Joe, and they assume something's failed. But in a pack of stacked lithium batteries, the coldest battery sets the rules. If the bottom one is cold, the whole stack behaves like it's cold. So why does the bottom battery get cold? Cold air sinks, concrete floors, steal heat. So the lowest battery is often sitting in the coldest spot in the room, especially in garages and outbuildings. So what is the big thermometer mistake everybody does? We see this all the time when customers measure temperature without fail. People put a thermometer high up on the wall so they don't have to bend down to see it. But the batteries live down on the floor and heat rises. So you need to measure the temperature where the battery actually is on the floor. Floor temperature can be many degrees lower than head height. That difference drives winter charging behavior. Measure the coldest point the cells feel. Why does insulation matter? Even light insulation makes a difference. Cold concrete pulls heat out of the lowest battery all day and night. Lifting the stack off the floor or insulating underneath can massively improve winter charging behavior. Next is BMS behavior reminder, or the battery management system. The BMS isn't being awkward, it's protecting the cells. Cold lithium can't safely accept high charge current, so the system slows itself down on purpose. It's protection, not failure. Then you have two problems. Now, stack plus charge taper, a double effect. And if the battery is already near full, you get a second slowdown. Cold temperature limits charging, and near full batteries slow down and taper naturally anyway. So now you have the cold plus a nearly full battery, which equals very slow charging. It's always good to do some practical checks first. So before changing settings or blaming the inverter, check three things: battery temperature, battery location, and state of charge. Do those first. The newer batteries with heaters behave better in winter. Most batteries installed a few years ago don't have them, so what you're seeing is normal seasonal behavior. Heated batteries sorts this problem and gives you better winter charging. If your battery charges slowly on clear, freezing days, it's almost never broken. It's just cold. And once you understand that, winter suddenly makes a lot more sense. I suppose it's a bit like us in the end. We hate doing stuff in the cold. Thanks for watching. Are you having problems with cold batteries? If so, leave us a comment. We read every comment, and real world experiences help everyone understand what actually works. And if you want more straight talk explanations like this, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully have a great solar day.